Welcome to Training for You channel. Short story in English.
Just before I graduated, I went on a trip to Phu Quoc Island to celebrate the end of my student life with some of my closest friends. It took just 2 hours to get there by airplane. Phu Quoc Island is an ideal place for tourists to spend their vacation because of the pleasant weather all year round. The seafood there is very fresh and delicious. On top of that, the seafood is a reasonable price, so I can eat as much as I want. I also like the people there. The locals are very hospitable and welcoming. When we were there, we tried numerous water activities for the first time. I had a chance to try kayaking and also scuba diving with my friends, who are very adventurous. I was scared at first, but when I was done, I felt deliriously happy and proud of myself. After a trip, traveling the length and breadth of Phu Quoc Island, I felt optimistic because life had many things to offer. We can always concentrate on the positive things and forget about bad experiences. Phu Quoc Island left an unforgettable impression on me. I learned to appreciate precious moments with those I care about and be grateful for whatever life has to offer. Life is tough, but it would be meaningless without its toughness.